What's the meaning of Air Commodore? Air Commodore. Air Commodore. Air Commodore. Air Commodore. Air Commodore. An Air Commodore is a senior officer rank in the Royal Air Force and other Commonwealth Air Forces. It is equivalent to a one-star rank and is typically responsible for commanding units of wings or groups, and overseeing administrative and operational functions. They operate at a level higher than wing commander but lower than air vice marshal. Air Commodores are often appointed as air attachés or defense attachés in overseas diplomatic missions, and may also hold key leadership roles within multinational military operations and exercises.